Hello everybody, it's Matt, your travel sidekick here. This week's video is going to be something awesome. I have been wanting a drone for a very long time, and finally I have gotten, ta-da, the Mavic Mini, the everyday fly cam, and I bought the Fly More combo. We are going to unbox this in just a second, but first, go ahead and subscribe and then turn on your notifications and get ready. Here we go. So let's dig in. Let's open this Mavic Mini. All right, so first thing we notice on the box, it's got this particular drone is a 249 gram drone. I had someone tell me, I've not looked it up on the internet to see if it's true, but you're not going to be able to travel with a drone here shortly if it's over 250 grams of weight. So if that's the case, then you know that this is the perfect drone. It's the right size to carry. So let's see, got another seal here. It's got a nice little case to it. Nice and compact. Got another little box here. All right. I don't think there's anything in this, but let's double check. Nope, there is. So this first big box right here has the propeller covers or protectors, I guess you call them. So it's one of these bags right here. Wow, thought that was going to be easier. Okay, kind of cool. We'll set that there. And there's the second one. I'll put it right there. All right, the next thing, got all the manuals. Fly More combo, a quick start guide. That'll be great. So yeah, I'll put those to the side. This is probably the batteries or the battery charger. The good thing about the Fly More combo, they say one battery life is about 30 minutes of flying with this particular drone. But I know that that's all, you know, if your drone is just hovering and you're taking some video, it's will last you a lot longer than if you're going in higher altitudes and moving and all kinds of maneuvers. So we've got 3 batteries with the Fly More combo. So that, you know, if I'm out and about and I'm doing lots of different shots, this should do it for me. So we've got 3 of these. I bet you this is the charger. Okay, so it's just a wall to USB. Now, let's open this case. This is a nice case. It feels like it's got some reinforcement behind it too, so when you're traveling, that can also help with in case anything gets smushed. Wow, that's really small. That's awesome. All right, so here it is, the Mini. Oh my gosh. So we see here it has gimbal protector. I'm going to take off the stickers here. All right. So as we see here, it has a little gimbal protector to take off, and that protects the camera, the gimbal, and all that. So I'm going to put that back on for now. Well, no, I can't. I have to take this off first. All right. This is the little propellers. We have another back side of the propellers here. All right, so now, oh look, it's got little stickers. It tells you exactly how to do it. You move this one first, like that. Number 2, it says right there. Oh, something holding it. Unfold the rear arms downwards. There you go. And there it is. So it looks like in the back here you have space for your connection to the camera, or I guess to charge a battery. I don't know what that would be for or why you need that. But then next to it is the micro SD card. And then you've got the camera. So I'm going to put this back on just to keep that protected. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's put that down. Find out what else is in the case here. All right, this is going to be our controller. Looks like these. Wow, you need instructions. One says to, oh, there we go. So there's your antennas. Number 2, looks like it's right there. That's going to be your hookup. Let's see, number 3. Pull these suckers down. Well, that's nice and snug. Oh, because that's going to clamp on your phone. So your phone goes in here, and then these will clamp down to hold it in place. And it's adjustable, it looks like, for just about any phone, which is great. Oh, and right here, on the inside, you've got the little joystick. And there's one right there as well. That is great. That keeps things from getting broken and kind of stows it away. All right, and then number 4, yep, would be those. All right, so this is our remote. I'm gonna close this back up. All right, next, this is probably gonna be the battery charger. Yep, so I've got 3 batteries. This will charge 3 batteries overnight, so that's gonna work perfect. Now, where's the release for the battery? Well, I think it goes like that. Yeah, there we go. So when you put the battery in, oops, the release is actually to push this down. That's where it's catching onto right there. So you hit that, pull the battery out. That's nice. I like that. So we'll put that over here. We still got a couple more things to open up. Oh, these are your extra propellers. This is great. Just, I'm going to leave these in the little plastic cases because you never know when you might need some extra propellers. Something breaks or you run into something, or I don't know. I've never driven a drone before or flown a drone before, so we'll see. Hopefully I don't need those too often. Actually, take these out and I'll put them right there. I'm gonna leave them in that box because that's a great storing place. Now we have our cables. Let's see here. All right, so it looks like this little package right here are the like replacement joysticks that go in right here. So you get 2 extras, which is great. Maybe those break off a whole lot, or if you get real excited and rip it off. All right, and then got several cables here. All right, so it looks like we have all the kinds of different adapters for phones. I have an iPhone, so I would be using this with my phone. And it looks like you would plug it in. Looks right here. Oh, no, this end will plug in right here. Hopefully. There we go. And then when your phone is in the holders, the app that you put on your phone, see, get this right. Oh, no. So there's a space right here that you would run this to your phone. So your phone is connected to the controller, which when you'll use the app to view the video and everything that's going on. So that's pretty cool. That's a great design. I like that. All right, let's pull this out. Got another bag here. All right, this is going to be the power adapter. So also I didn't look on the side of the battery charger. There's a USB, there's power, and I guess that's a micro USB. So you can plug that in and charge the batteries. Perfect. All right, let's check this one out. All right, this looks like a little tool. That would be to replace the propellers. Right there, if you need to replace those, that's cool. Great, let's see. Just put that there. And one more little bag here. This is another, looks like micro USB or whatever that little one is, to a USB. So I noticed, where was it? Was it on here? Somewhere else had a USB plug-in. It's, oh, maybe I'm lying. Maybe I'm wrong. But you've got an extra, looks like it comes with 2 of these. Maybe down the road I'll find out that I need it. All right, so that's what we have. I cannot get over how small this is. I thought it would be bigger than this. This is absolutely awesome. So I guess to push things back, you would do these first. Go down. And this one goes down. These come back like so, and it just fits in there. So nice and neat. It's so compact. And this case, it's a solid case. I mean, that's gonna protect it. So that's what's in the box. That's what we have. Now, if you've had any good experiences or just if you love your DJI, I want to hear about it. So just comment below. And so what I'm going to do now, it's supposed to be really rainy today. It hasn't rained yet, but it looks like it could any second. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to register my drone, and I'm going to read up on how to use it, play around with the app and the controls for a little bit,